So finally today, we have the latest news related to the Galaxy S25 series. The Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks are coming in fast, and Samsung's new features for One UI 7 are really making waves. The latest leak reveals stunning renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, showcasing ultra-thin bezels that are reportedly the slimmest ever on a flagship phone, even thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. These renders, courtesy of Evan Blass, give us a clear look at the design, with the thin bezels adding to the overall sleek aesthetic. Additionally, the S25 Plus also has some leaked renders, but there's a noticeable flaw. The bezels appear uneven, likely due to poor Photoshop work, despite being official Samsung renders. This might be a mistake from the design team or a bad day at work. The much-anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event is confirmed for January 22nd, with the S25 lineup taking center stage. The most intriguing part? A slide shows a fourth device, the Galaxy S25 Slim, which was originally expected to launch in 2025, but might now make an appearance at the January event. Although the Slim won't hit stores until in the mid of 2025, it's expected to launch globally, with an initial production of just 3 million units, a much smaller batch than some of Samsung's more exclusive models like the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. On the software front, One UI 7 will debut with the Galaxy S25 series. A major feature to look out for is the upgraded Now bar, which will leverage AI to provide real-time, context-aware summaries. The Now bar will display relevant information from various apps, such as health data, weather, and even itinerary details if you're traveling. For example, it could remind you to sleep, suggest workout times, and give real-time travel info, all in one place on your lock screen. So it's all if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.